Ford introduced the switchgear concept with special bodywork, off-road-oriented suspension and 37-inch tires. Created by Ford Performance and RTR, the truck is inspired by the F-150 RTR Ultimate Fun-Haver and has an eye-catching exterior with a special carbon composite body structure. This includes a wide body kit with prominent fenders and prominent air vents. The changes continue elsewhere, too, as the concept is fitted with front and rear bumpers that help improve approach and departure angles. The model is also equipped with a front skid plate, steel rock rails and a rather large spoiler. The most notable upgrade is the 18-inch wheels wrapped in 37-inch Nitto Ridge Grappler tires. These are joined by a bed-mounted tracking rack that houses 2 spares. Ford hasn't said much about the cabin, but it has a number of notable upgrades, including 5 Recaro Sportster ORV seats with 6-point seatbelts. We can also see a unique dash, a trailing bar, and what looks like a manual parking brake that can also be used as a hockey stick. The modifications are deeper than the surface, as the truck has a revised suspension with custom components front and rear. The concept also features 3-inch Fox internal bypass shock absorbers and a significantly increased 80-inch, 2032 mm, track. Thanks to the changes, the model promises to be an off-road beast as it has a clearance of 13.5 inches, 343 mm, at the front and 11 inches, 279 mm, at the rear. The truck also offers up to 13 inches, 330 mm, of wheel travel. If dirt scares you, a street configuration is available with an aerodynamic front bumper, trunk lid, and 20-inch wheels wrapped in Nitto NT420V tires. This model also features a revised suspension with a significantly lower ride height. Despite its Raptor-like appearance, the F-150 Lightning switchgear is relatively tame, having a standard powertrain. This means drivers will find a 131 kWh battery pack powering a dual-motor all-wheel drive system with 580 horsepower, 433 kilowatts/588 PS, and 775 lb-ft, 1050 Nm, of torque. There's no word on how fast the concept is, but the regular F-150 Lightning with extended range battery can hit 60 miles per hour, 96 kilometers per hour, in less than 4 seconds. Ford Performance's Director of Global Motorsports, Mark Rushbrook, said the truck demonstrates the possibilities of what an electric vehicle can be and provides a playground for engineers to rapidly advance learning for future electric vehicles. He stated that the truck will be unveiled to the public for the first time at the King of the Hammers race on January 25.